Pag kayo,
So, na-mention natin kanina. Na-mention natin kanina.
Yeah, and of course, we are also invited to check out our new single, Live. Terry Hong coming out this baby. I'm so excited, guys. Are you guys excited?
Sana po ay ma-follow namin sa aming mga social media accounts. Search for SC19 Official at Official SC19.
yes, maraming salamat ulit, JT. Sorry sabihin na this has been an awesome night. But we will make sure this will be the best, not the last night. Until next time, bago ko kami matapos, at for our second to the last song tonight, please sing with us tonight. Let's all go now.